Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, could the next Shiba Inu already be here? Let's break down the top 5 new meme coins that you should have on your radar right now. Alright guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to another awesome video here on the channel, and today we're talking about the top 5 new meme coins that could be the next Shiba Inu, which is really awesome. And you know, meme coins have evolved from internet jokes into billion-dollar assets, and in 2025 some are still just hype. However, others are building loyal communities, strong branding, and even real-world use cases. Now in this video, we're going to cover 5 new meme coins that could potentially follow in the footsteps of Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. However, before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence and research before you invest, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's jump into the video and talk about the first meme coin with Pepe. And I'm sure you know who Pepe is, or Pepe if you want to say it that way. This has been a very popular meme coin, and it really started to gain momentum in 2023 as it launched that same year and was inspired by the Pepe the Frog meme. I'm sure you guys have seen that. Everything you need to know about the coin is up here on the website, so go through that and check out everything. And follow Pepe on all these awesome social media platforms as well. Now, Pepe exploded in popularity, reaching billions in market cap as well, okay? Pepe also built a strong online culture with fast-growing adoption, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. And you can read the story of Pepe right here, how it works, how to buy, and all that kind of cool stuff. Tokenomics, 400 trillion, 690 billion Pepe tokens are available. So there's no reason not to get involved with this. It doesn't have a very high buy-in, and I absolutely think Pepe is going to do well as a great meme coin. It's one of the most popular. You can check out the roadmap here as well and follow them on all their social media. Now, why should Pepe matter to you and I? Well, Pepe showed the world that meme culture is still alive and thriving in crypto. Many analysts believe that it could rival Shibu or Sheeb or Dogecoin in long-term community growth. All right, so the next meme coin we're going to talk about is Floki. So let's dive in and do that right now, guys. All right, the next one on the list, number 2 of the top 5 new meme coins, is Floki. And I'm really excited for this one, and we're on the website right now, and this is the people's cryptocurrency. Everything you need to know about it right up here on the screen at the top of the website. Make sure you go through that and learn everything you can about Floki. Before you make any investments, you can check out more information down here as well. We're going to go through the site a little bit. You can check out more right there. You can buy there and look up more about it. And it is the Floki ecosystem. You can watch some clips there, check it out. Floki news here as well, and Floki's 3 pillars. You can check those out. Community, utility, and charity. How cool is that? And you can join the Floki Vikings, follow them on X, Discord, and all of their social media here as well. And where to buy Floki is right there as well. Make sure you come and check out all this awesome information. Stake, earn, and claim rewards. Some great statistics there as well. They also have the Floki name service, trading and that kind of stuff. Statistics here you could check out. There's a lot to go through on this website. Make sure you do it thoroughly and go through everything. This is a huge website. Wow, okay. But what's really cool is that Floki was named after Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog. And of course, it's more than just a meme, right? It's building Floki, which is a DeFi product, Valhalla, a play-to-earn game, and an NFT marketplace as well. Now, Floki also has a strong global marketing campaign, with multiple campaigns actually, and a strong sense of community. Now, why does it matter to people like you and I? Well, unlike most meme coins, Floki is pushing hard to deliver actual utility, which could sustain it long term. So make sure you keep an eye out for Floki. I'm excited for it to see where it goes in 2025. Drop a comment down below. Let us know about Pepe and Floki. What have your experience has been like using these? All right, so the next meme coin on the list coming in at number 3 is Bonk, and we're going to talk about that one right now, so get ready, guys. All right, next up on the list at number 3 is Bonk, and this is the first major meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Everything you need to know about it right up there at the top of the website. Make sure you check it out, and you can check out more about it there and learn everything you need to know, integrations and things like that. Join the Bonk Bark right there as well. And you can follow them on Instagram, you can follow them on Twitter, you can follow them on Telegram and stuff like that. So make sure you do that as well. Learn everything you can about Bonk while you're on the website. But it also airdropped to Solana users during the ecosystem's bear market when this coin was really low. Solana adopted it during a very low and bearish run, okay? Now, it is used for payments, staking, and integrated into Solana apps, making it very viable. I think Bonk is going to do well. And now, why does this matter to you and I? Well, because Bonk is more than hype. It has become the cultural meme face of the Solana ecosystem, all right? So the next one we're going to talk about at number 4 is Dogwifhat. Or whiff, okay? And we're gonna do that right now, so get excited, guys. All right, the next one on the list at number 4 is Dogwifhat. And look at that adorable dog. It's really Shiba wearing hats. I mean, how awesome is that? Everything you need to know about how to get it is there. Check out the website. All this information is here for you on the site. Very cool stuff. They have merchandise, hats. I mean, how cute is that? $15 price prediction. Features of Dogwifhat products, people wearing shirts, cool stuff there. Frequently asked questions, you can get them all answered, and 3 benefits of the Popcat coin as well as on here. Make sure you check everything out, and you can subscribe to their newsletter for rewards and things like that. Follow them on all of their social media. So Dogwifhat, which is a meme coin featuring a Shiba Inu wearing a hat, simple but viral. It also surged in price thanks to strong meme momentum on the Solana blockchain as well. And Dogwifhat was built entirely by community hype with no central team. Now, why does this matter to you and I? Well, Dogwifhat is proof that pure meme power can still drive a token into the top rankings. All right, so the last one at number 5 we're going to talk about is Book of Meme, and we're going to do that right now. All right, talking about number 5 now, Book of Meme with the website right here. You can check out how it works. Connect your wallet, go for list. You can list meme coins on here and stuff like that. Not really much about it, but there's some graphics there, so you can check it out here on the website. So what is Book of Meme? Well, it's another Solana-based meme coin that skyrocketed in 2024, and it combines meme culture with NFT-style content and sharing. It exploded quite quickly due to Binance listing and huge retail hype. Now, why does that matter to you and I? Well, because Book of Meme mixes meme coin fun with NFT future, appealing to both trades and collectors as well. Traders and collectors. So, quick question for you guys. Do you think meme coins are still worth buying or holding, or is the hype gone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say about each of these coins, as we are trying to keep building this awesome community here on the channel. So make sure you leave comments about all these coins we've talked about today. So, which meme coins have the most potential? Is it Pepe at number 1 that has raw meme power? Is it number 2, Bonk, which is the cultural token of Solana? Is it number 3, Floki, which is building real utility? Is it number 4 with Dogwifhat, which is all about pure meme energy? Or is it number 5, Book of Meme, which mixes memes and NFTs? Now, each has a different strength, but all prove one thing: meme culture is far from dead. So in 2025, the meme coin space is more competitive than ever before, and not all are going to survive, okay? But the ones with strong communities and smart branding could be the next Shiba Inu. So guys, which meme coin do you think has the best chance of becoming the next Shiba Inu? Drop it down in the comments below. Remember to like the video, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell for all notifications for more crypto breakdowns and insights. We'll see you guys in the next video.